Today we're going to use our PatPat Gels and we're going to attempt the sweater nail trend. Now, I went all over with this creamy brown, just like it's like a base, because I'm going to do a French look. I really like the fact that these gels cure tack free, so I can put a stencil right on top of them, do my art, and then they stay reusable. So simple. After I get all my deep French stencils on, then I go ahead and tap out my colors. Now, this palette has a lot of brights. I really like it. These palettes are, you can get them online. I'll link a few that I really like below. But they're easy to use. Just, depot some of the ones, like some of the colors that you would like to use and go with it. I have a ton of lights on my station, so I make sure to put the ones I'm going to use just on a palette and then close the rest of the container, because there's no sense to have it just exposed to light, no, unnecessarily so. Now, if I was going to redo this, like this came out fine, but if I was going to do it again, what I would do is I wouldn't cure anything. That way I could have blended it more, but you don't get like the fuzzy feel that you get when you do airbrush. It's still a very cool look. I'm not going to lie to you. The palettes, I don't know if you've seen my other videos, but the palettes you can chrome, you can stamp with them, you can do line art, you can just draw with them. They have very like medium viscosity consistency so that you can paint with them. It's a very versatile gel. You can do a full coverage nail with them, like you see me do with that warm brown earlier for the base. Very, like, if you're a beginner and you're trying to figure out what to put in your kit, I would add these definitely. Let me know what you think about this design and how it came to be, and I'll link everything below.